Do you want to make your game remember your player stats? Here's how to save leader stats in Roblox Studio. Step 1. In Server Script Service, insert a new script. This will create and manage the leader stats. Step 2. Use this template to add stats. Step 3. To save stats, you'll need Data Store Service. Add this at the top. Step 4. Save data when players leave. Step 5. Load save data when they join. Step 6. Hit play. Tests with a second account and confirm your stats are loading and saving. And that's it. Your leader stats now save between sessions in Roblox Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. For more videos about Roblox, don't forget to subscribe.